Need to see friends you have deleted on Snapchat? Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, click on the gear icon at the top right. Here, find and select My Data. Here you will see a list of data options available for download. Carefully review the list and make sure chat history and user information are selected. Once selected, scroll down to the bottom and hit Next. Here choose the date range for your export. Before submitting, double-check your email address to ensure it's correct. Once confirmed, hit the Submit button. Finally, Snapchat will process your request and send you a download link. Once the download is complete, you will see a complete list of your Snapchat friends, including any that you might have deleted. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.